Hi ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? My name is Adrian Anna Albert and I'm a trainee counselor from University of Malaysia Sarawak. Before you see my video today, you can check out the YouTube video that I posted its link at my post. And the YouTube video is titled Disabled Athletes or Superhumans. Now, I'm going to do a reflection based on this video. And my reflection is based on Gibbs' reflective model. Now, Gibbs' reflective model consists of description, feelings, evaluation, analysis, conclusion, and also action plan. Now, without further ado, let me start. The first one is description. Now, to describe this video is that this video tells us about the Paralympics and whereby disabled athletes are competing for gold, silver, and bronze medal, as also the normal Olympics are. And also the main reason for these Paralympics to be held is to recognize that these disabled people should not be discriminated from community. Now, that is the description. Secondly is my feelings. Personally, what I feel is that I feel very, very spirited. Now, spirited in terms of giving things to these disabled people to help them, spirited to help them. For example, the scene in the video whereby playing tennis with a wheelchair. Now, playing tennis with a wheelchair requires a lot of strength and energy. And also, that leads to my second feeling, in which I feel ashamed. Ashamed of myself. So to feel a lot, to have a lot of strength and energy to just roll that wheelchair and also use the tennis bat requires effort. They put in much effort in their daily lives in training, more than I did. So I feel ashamed of myself because some points in my life I do not put much effort, as I can see they put efforts in their training. So I feel ashamed of myself, and in which now I feel motivated. I feel motivated more than ever to put some effort in my life and to help them, not to cure but to adapt towards discrimination around. It may be not a loud discrimination, but it is a silent discrimination. Thirdly, evaluation. So the evaluation on the video is that there's one scene in the video whereby the athlete experienced a magnitude of emotions that they cannot bear. The scene I'm talking about is long jump. After the long jump, one of the athletes cried, and I can see the sea of emotions, the magnitude of emotions that came upon them. And this leads to the fourth dimension, which is analysis. So when I analyze this, I look at the emotions, trying so hard to prove themselves that they are worthy of that place in public, have given them that emotions and that burden to carry on. The magnitude, the very, very large magnitude of the emotions is now a burden to them. So the issue here, the issue in rehabilitation counseling is that they are silently left behind. Even you can see the Olympics, the Paralympics is only 20% of the view compared to the Olympics. And that makes me somehow really, really, really sad. They are trying so hard to prove themselves and also to improve themselves, but we are silently discriminating them. Take the views, for example. And to conclude is that positively, the Paralympics is a chance for them to show what they can do. But negatively, the world needs a better perception of this. Even though we don't say it loudly, or I discriminate these disabled people, but silently, we are doing it silently. And that is what the issue is all about. So my action plan is that I have to change myself first. I have to put in as much effort as they put to help them to adapt. Why not join me in my adventure to adapt, to help them to adapt? And with that, thank you. Have a nice day and salam sejahtera.